assaulting me. You're assaulting me now. You are assaulting
Ma'am.
me. Let go of me! I'm not being detained!
In Florida, a woman in psychiatric crisis, off her medication, unable to reach the right hospital, called 911 5 times in a single day.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
You sir?
Yes, sir. Sorry, I just had called today.
Does this mean I have the best now?
No, this means that you're going to be dealing with them now. We're not coming back out for you.
Yeah.
Because you're not having a medical emergency. We ran on you 5 times.
I
So at
can't
this
get-
point,
no,
we're going to
I
ask them to
can't-
do a Marchman
I
Act on you.
can't get to the other place.
And that's going to be a legal issue that we're going to be dealing with. Okay?
Hold on before you make decisions for me.
It's not up to me, ma'am. At
Who
this
is it
point,
up to? I need to talk to them.
right there.
I'm not being Baker acted. I'm
No,
okay.
Marchman Act.
Marchman
What's
Act.
that mean?
It's completely different.
What's it mean?
We'll explain it to you.
What's it mean? I don't
So
want
it
to be
just
arrested
means-
or detained.
Well, that's eventually going to happen because...
Okay, so I'm not detained right now.
Not at the moment.
Okay.
15 to 4112. Can you be in route to my location?
No, I'm at the wrong
All right, ma'am.
hospital. I was at the wrong hospital, not the
keeps
psych
calling.
hospital.
She
where I
keeps
hit
calling?
my head
6
and I
times
need
today. I've taken it already once.
medication.
Okay. All right, I'm going to wait for my supervisor. Ma'am, if you can have a seat.
Don't listen to anyone else.
Ma'am, if you could please have a seat.
Who's the sergeant there?
Today it's Megan. She's A/.
Let's go to
She's
the
on her way.
hospital,
All right,
please.
thank you.
Yep. Thank you, guys.
I can't do anything.
I know you can't. I'm just looking at you because you were very calm and good to talk to.
I'm good, fine.
I need to go to the hospital, sir. Immediately.
Okay.
I need these
What's
guys
wrong?
to take me.
No. Sit down.
I need these guys
Sit
to
down.
take me to the hospital
Sit down.
immediately. The one I wanted to go
Ma'am,
to.
please sit down.
Do you know the one I'm talking about?
No, we take you to the emergency hospital.
Fisherman's then.
No, ma'am. It's not a medical emergency.
I am having a medical emergency. I need to go.
What did you take today?
Nothing. Nothing. That's the problem. I haven't taken my pills, and so I'm acting like a psychopath.
She has. We take her 3 times. She was at the guidance clinic. They already discharged her yesterday or today. I can't remember. We've taken her once today. Refusal already. 4 or 5
Come in
times
here.
today.
Come in here. I like the look of you. What's up? You can be in here. These guys.
I've been super polite with her. I've been as nice as I can.
You have been really great.
And we can't keep running calls on this. It's violating state statutes, abusing 911.
That's,
She does
I'm
need-
not
she-
abusing it.
she
I just
does
need to go to the
she
right
does need
hospital.
help.
I need to go to the right
I'm not saying she
hospital.
doesn't need help, but she needs mental help. She doesn't need
I need to go to the
emergency.
right hospital, which is the one I'm trying to walk to.
Well, we
But
can't
I
do
almost
that.
fainted coming here, and so I stopped in here because it looked like a police station. Okay? I'm telling you, I keep fainting, you guys. I wake up naked sometimes. So I am having
witness
medical
of CPP, no witness of
emergencies. You hear
fainting.
me?
No,
You hear me?
No one that I've talked to has been around her has seen any of that.
Get him away
Okay.
from me, because he's already had enough.
I'm gonna.
Get away
I'm
from
just telling
me.
the
Get
truth.
away
I'm just
from
gonna
me.
keep her here.
I know
I'm gonna
you're
wait for
telling
Meg.
the
Yeah,
truth.
I
See
kind
what
of want
she's
to
gonna
leave
do.
because we're getting another call in case.
Okay, unless
Yeah.
I'm detained,
You
I'm
are
leaving.
at the moment. Sit down.
I'm not detained.
Sit down.
You need to read me my Miranda rights.
Sit down.
Everything I say can and will be used against me
Sit
in
down.
the court
I'm
of
not
law.
asking you
Blah,
any
blah, blah,
incriminating
blah, blah,
questions.
blah.
Sit down. Ma'am? Sit down. Sit down. Hey,
What was your name again?
You still have to follow me?
You did not detain
What
me.
was your name again?
I'm not detained right
No,
now.
no, you're not. But
I
just
need
have a
to
seat.
go away from these people.
Okay, just have a seat, relax.
I have requested that you be legally checked.
Good, I need to go to the right
Okay. As
place.
soon as the sergeant gets here and the paperwork is
There's no
filed,
pee. I didn't.
and we'll make sure that you get where you need to
It's
go.
just water. It's just water.
leaking from
It's water from the ice that I
Did you
needed.
hear me?
No, there's too much going on around me.
was
I can
trying to
only
explain.
focus on one thing at one time because I'm not on my medication and I'm freaking
I
out.
want you to.
Do you get my problem yet? I need you to take me to the right hospital.
I would love-
Amen. Goodbye.
I would love to get you to the right hospital.
Me too.
So when the sergeant gets here, we're gonna get you where you need to go, whether
That's great.
legally
Let's go.
or they're gonna drop you off at the guidance clinic.
I'm not a harm to myself
Have you been
or
to the guidance
anybody
clinic?
else. No.
We can't personally take you.
I know. That's
Okay?
fine.
We
Take
can
me to
the
Fisherman's.
hospital,
Take me to Fisherman's and
but
then
they-
transfer me.
They
Take me
will
to
not
Fisherman's and
transfer
then
you there
transfer me.
unless there is a medical.
I'm having a medical emergency.
So can you finish listening to me, please?
I'm
ma'am?
listening because I'm staring at this dude.
Yeah. If you're not looking at me,
15 to
you're not
4112.
listening.
What's your location?
It's okay.
I just told you. I'm looking at this dude because I don't trust you.
Okay, cool. I just met you, so.
Exactly, and I don't trust you.
Cool. And I get that.
And I've been in the last
I'm
24
sorry
hours.
to hear that.
I want to talk to the black guy.
We're under a camera
I
right
want to
now.
talk to the black guy.
And I haven't insinuated anything against you, but I'm letting you know what's happening.
Yes, I'm
Once the
telling you
sergeant
it's
gets
not
here,
needed.
we're going to try and get you to the guidance clinic
That's
to
great.
get your mental health that you said you
That's
need
great. Why don't you
taken
just
care
drive
of.
me there?
Okay, we can't, man. We
Okay,
can
then
only
I'm
take
gonna
the
walk
official
there.
ones.
You guys can all watch me walk there. As soon
Your
as
bag is falling apart.
My bag isn't falling apart.
It's wet on the bottom, so it's falling.
Unless I am
gonna need
actually
to
detained.
No, I don't. Ma'am, just stand by.
No, I need to go to the mental hospital.
Ma'am,
I need
I'm
to
gonna
go
help
to
you.
the mental
Ma'am.
hospital, sir.
We're gonna help you. Come here.
You're not helping me
All right.
fast enough.
Come here.
Yeah, I
Please
know.
don't touch my guys, because that could be assault on a firefighter.
Just here on the hand. Ma'am.
Nope.
Ma'am.
You can do it just wire. You cannot. Nope. You're assaulting me. You're assaulting me now. You are assaulting
Ma'am,
me.
let me see your hand.
You are a.
Ma'am, relax.
I refuse.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Hook me to the door. 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 I'm not
Relax.
being detained.
Ma'am. Relax.
I'm not being detained. Let go of me. I'm not being detained. You never detained me properly.
Ma'am, you need
You are assaulting me.
You need
Ma'am. Yeah, just train her. I don't want to hurt her.
Yep, no, you're not going to.
I am not being detained. This is bull.
Hey!
All right, she assaulted me.
Can I get code 4, please?
All right, have a seat.
Oh, no.
Have a seat.
Assault.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
I don't want to have a seat.
Have a seat.
Stand right there.
I don't want to have a seat. I don't have to do anything you say. You're cutting off circulation in my hand. You're cutting off circulation
Okay,
in my left hand.
can you let me fix it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
That's it. I can't feel my hand.
Do
I
not
can't
move.
feel it. I can't feel it. I can't
Ma'am,
feel it.
ma'am, you have, it's not cut off at all right now, ma'am. Let him lock it so it doesn't move. All right, we are going to get you where you need to go. Okay?
Off me. Quit touching me. I have not been
Stop
detained.
hitting me.
Stop.
Then let go of me.
You want to go to the ground? Stop. Lay against the wall.
You have not detained me. I don't have to do anything you say until you read me my Miranda rights. I am a free person.
Have a seat.
Relax.
Get your hands off me!
Relax.
Get your hands off me now!
I have him right now. He's got no blood on him.
Please help me.
I have him here.
We're going to help you,
Get your
but the right
hands
way, okay?
off me.
Code 5.
Please get your hands off me.
That's why I'm here.
You are breaking the law by touching me, sir. I've been in the last 24 hours and I want your hands off me. I'm gonna bite you if you don't get them off now. 10, 9,
She's got a
8,
CPI. Okay.
7.
Don't do that.
She already battered.
You never read me my Miranda rights.
we don't need
I'm a
your
free
Miranda
person
rights.
right now.
Is she in custody? Yeah.
I'm now in custody. You need to read me my Miranda rights.
No, we don't.
gonna have one female in custody.
You need to read me my Miranda rights.
No, we don't.
now.
No, we don't.
You're cutting off circulation on
No,
my
we're not.
hand.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
Those are handcuffs.
Ow, my hands.
No. I need Megan.
Just make sure she doesn't have weapons on her.
Yeah.
Oh, she just kicked me.
Yep. Watch it. Okay. You're good. I don't think
Come on, Kristen.
Release me! I will go with you!
No, you're going to jail.
Yep.
I will go with you. Help.
Put your feet on. Take that off her neck.
Get away from
Have a
me!
seat. Have a seat.
Get away
Have a
from
seat.
me! Get away from me!
All right, let's go ahead. Do you have a hobble?
Yeah, I do.
Get away from me!
It's here in my bag.
Front?
Yep.
Get away from me!
We're gonna help you.
You're not helping me! You're hurting me right now!
Not hurting you.
You're hurting me right now! You are! You're hurting me! Sir, please come back!
Grab
They're
it.
hurting me! My cuffs are too tight! They're too tight!
I I can fit 2 fingers in between both.
Too tight.
Look, I can fit.
You're in the wrong position.
I can fit 2 fingers.
It doesn't
Stop hitting your head. Stop hitting your head. Stop hitting your head. Put her seat. You're gonna have to hold her, yeah, because she's gonna try to kick. If you calm down, we can help, but you keep
away from
right.
Yes.
Service.
Give me your feet. Give me your feet. Give me your feet.
No.
Hold it. I'm gonna let you know, if you bite me or kick me again, you're gonna catch another charge. You already have a lot of felonies, okay?
I don't care.
All right, give me it.
You do too.
You're just gonna get another charge.
You can go f yourself.
Okay.
Like November Whiskey, Victor
I'm not
87,
gonna hurt you.
Q1WV87,
You
Cynthia
don't need to do this, sir. You don't need to do this. Sir, they never arrested me properly. They need to go to jail right now. I
Got it.
can't.
Yeah, got it.
If you take me to jail, please take
Go ahead.
2 men go to jail.
Tie it to that.
Show me your route to that.
Just close it.
You guys need anything from us?
No. So you said it was you told me she called like 5, 6 times, right?
So today, we got a call this morning on 20, in front of the Eye Center on 23rd Street for a homeless female. Said she's gonna faint. We go, she's not there on scene. Call unfounded. We turn back around, we go to another call, or we go back to the station, I'm sorry, we get another call for a call on 20th Street. Female, frantic, uncooperative with dispatch, hung up, said she's gonna faint.
5 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 1 hour ago, 20 minutes.
So total 4 times, right?
That's what we got called out for, but that one, she also asked for help. We got there and she was gone.
Okay.
Second time we made actual contact with her. Third time, yeah, this is the 5th.
So fit 5
So
times.
then I went to Santa Factory by Papa John's. I got a refusal on her. She did not want to go to the hospital. I said no problem. She signed it. She wouldn't sign it. She left. We got another call at 11th Street next to Lazy Days. We transported her, and then she called us again.
Okay.
You walked out of Fisherman's 30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago at most.
Okay. And who did she kick?
Big.
She kicked you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if I need to get your ID
it's all right.
if anything.
All you have to do is handcuff me in the front.
Do I need his ID?
I would take his ID.
Sir, please.
No.
Please, sir, come here. You were the only person that was helpful. Please. Make my cuffs loose, sir.
No,
I can't feel
you have
my fingers.
you have capillary refill, and I can fit 2 fingers in between each cuff.
I
That's
can't
more than
feel
enough.
them.
That's more than enough.
Help me, sir. I was in handcuffs 21 days ago, and I'm still losing feeling from part of my hand, and this is not helping heal them. This is not helping heal them, please.
4114, go for 5213. I mean, I can stand by until she gets. Yeah, it's tight.
I'm not gonna move if you're taking me
You
to the
hit your
police
head on this
station.
portion.
I'm not gonna.
You kicked
I'm not
me?
gonna move if you take me to the police station.
You kicked me. You kicked him. You kicked another.
I'm gonna start kicking if you don't
You're not.
take me
You
to the
can't.
police station.
That's the thing. You can't.
Come on, step out. I can't.
Give me a second. She's hobbled.
No, we're not. Hold on. I've been never properly charged with anything.
You're charged with battery on the
They never properly arrested me. They never read me my Miranda rights.
We don't have to.
That's fine, but you used to have to.
We never had to.
Yes, you did. That's why they do it in the movie shows.
Yeah, well, this isn't a movie.
Okay, well, this is real life.
Exactly.
I'm just telling you, before I was detained, he hit me.
Okay.
So it was self-defense.
5213.
Be all pissy with me.
Go sit back down.
Your subject is valid and clear and Leo protected. No further.
Copy. If you can mark him as the victim, and I'll go ahead and I'll be switching back to one.
Copy, switching.
There you go. That's better. Hold on. That's better.
Control 1.
Can you move this one around a little bit?
It's as loose
That's
as
good.
it's
That's
gonna
good. That's good. Right there. No,
Sit
this
down.
needs to go higher up. I'm not flexible in my shoulders like this, so this really hurts me. It's too tight.
be. It's not too tight.
It
There's a lot
is
of room
though.
in there.
I'm not this flexible is what I'm saying.
There's a lot
it's
of
my
room.
Sure,
shoulders
Miranda.
that hurt.
It's 2 fingers that go in there. And there's
That's not
plenty
what
of
I
room.
want loose.
And
though.
1831.
All right, please get in.
Can you not loosen the chain?
No, the chain doesn't get
I
loose.
can't get in by myself like this.
You can scoot back.
I can't even get up on the thing.
You're welcome.
Hold on, don't push. Don't push. Stop push. I'm gonna use gravity. Okay.
Do you want to put this to
You're going right across the street.
Yeah, but she was hitting her head. Well,
6, you put 1 off city. At 1832. Copy, thank you.
50 to 13. I'm arrival. Copy ending.
Go with it.
39318.
Copy at 1835.
Hey, stop! Damn it, bro. Hit banging her head. Stop.
Are we ready yet?
No, we're not ready.
No.
You're gonna stay there. Stay there.
Hobble on, so if you try to walk, you're going to hurt yourself.
Okay.
Stay. I'll tell you when to get out.
Okay.
Leave your feet right
I
there.
am. I'm not moving. I knew it. That's probably part of the problem. More. I can't.
Just like that. Don't move. You can wait a second.
Can you let go of the handcuffs now? They
Ready
really
for us.
hurt. That's fine. I'm not gonna run or anything. Can you undo the handcuffs, please?
Now, relax.
Oh, the way he's moving me hurts. I am relaxed. Where is it? Hand. You said it's dead?
You want the...
Yeah, hands. Undo. Between your lines.
Ready?
60.
You double?
Can't walk very well. Can we undo that? Can we undo that?
No.
I can't walk very well. Can it be a little looser?
No. Take baby steps.
This is literally as far as I can step.
That's
so.
fine.
I'm like a penguin, but slower. Can you imagine being slower than a penguin? I can't get in. The seat's too high. Ready? You got my foot. Not a single person in this entire town that gives a about me.
That's not true. We do care about you, but you can't be hitting it like anyone just like that.
But I only hit people who hit me first or hurt me first.
Look,
They shouldn't have hurt me.
I told you many times, please have a seat. Have a seat.
I will listen to you from now on. You're
Well, from now on, it's a little. It's too late from now. Look,
listen to you from now on, but until then, go from there.
I really am trying to help you.
I know you are.
Here, talk to me about your drawings, because look at that beautiful sunset.
Isn't that pretty?
Do you want the window down?
Yeah.
All right.
I skydive for a living.
Really?
Wow, it looks so much brighter now.
I know.
It's such different different colors now that the window's down. Instead of the blue being dark, it's like a white color, and the sun is just radiant yellow.
Yeah. Yep. Let me know if you want the window back up.
Dude, we're gonna witness like one of the best sunsets ever here. Ready for it?
Oh yeah, we're going up the hump.
It's gonna be awesome. I wish I had my camera or paint so bad. You'll have to take a picture with your phone if we get in an opportunity. You can.
Unfortunately, I can't.
Now,
I wish, but I'm.
From this phone right now.
I wish, but I'm driving. So, but listen.
I can't hear you. Can you put my window up?
Yeah. I would definitely take a picture, but it's a little dangerous because we're driving.
Oh, I know.
So,
right now, though,
but here, listen. As soon as you get out of jail, there's beautiful sunsets like this every day.
Oh, I know.
And they're not. And you know what the cool thing about them?
Everything.
They're never. Yeah. Apart from that, they're never the same.
Oh, I know.
They're always different, but they're all.
Believe in God?
I don't speak about my religious beliefs.
That's fine. I'm just curious if you do. But if you do or don't, I think you should. And if you do or don't, I believe in Jesus Christ, and I know He's my Lord and Savior.
The first legal failure is a Fourth Amendment problem. Under Terry v. Ohio, a person is seized when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. Officers told her she was not detained, then physically restrained her without marking the legal transition. That is a constitutional exposure, not a procedural note. Officers invoked the Marchman Act, Florida Statute Section 397, 68, 18. That statute requires two things: loss of self-control over substance use, and danger to self or others. She denied any substance use. Officers did not establish either prong on camera. No documented threshold. No solid legal ground for the commitment. The deeper problem is that the wrong statute was applied. The Marchman Act covers substance abuse. The Baker Act, Florida Statute Section 3, 94, 463, covers involuntary psychiatric examination for mental illness. She had missed her psychiatric medication. That is a mental health crisis, not a substance crisis. Different statute, different facility, different legal rights. She demanded Miranda warnings repeatedly. Officers correctly stated Miranda applies before custodial interrogation, not at arrest. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, settled this. Officers were legally right, but explaining it calmly was also a de-escalation opportunity, and that window was open. On use of force, the progression was appropriate. Graham v. Connor requires force be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. Officers moved from verbal commands to handcuffs to a hobble with a warning before each step: no weapons drawn. That continuum is legally defensible. The handcuff complaint has its own legal layer. She reported nerve damage from being cuffed 21 days earlier. Officers used the two-finger test and capillary refill, both standard field protocols. Under Youngberg v. Romeo, people in custody retain a liberty interest in safe conditions. A two-finger test does not detect pre-existing nerve injury. She kicked an officer after explicit warning. Florida Statute Section 784, 07 makes battery on a law enforcement officer a third-degree felony. Officers warned her before it happened. That warning establishes the charge was not retroactive. She was told. She continued. The charge followed. That sequence is textbook. Her refusals to sit and attempts to leave could support Florida Statute Section 843-02, resisting without violence. But officers had told her she was not detained. You cannot tell someone she is free to leave and then charge her for trying to leave. That inconsistency undercuts the charge. The training question carries institutional weight. City of Canton v. Harris established that inadequate training amounting to deliberate indifference creates municipal liability. If officers routinely confuse the Marchman Act with the Baker Act, that is a department-level failure. Individual officers absorb it. The municipality owns the exposure. The hobble restraint is the one area with no significant legal concern. She had kicked an officer. Officers checked fit, adjusted on request, and helped her move. Application was consistent with accepted protocol. The sunset conversation during transport, where she went from screaming to watching the colors of the sky, is what crisis intervention team training looks like when it works. 2 parties are graded: officers on legal compliance, tactical soundness, professionalism, and policy compliance. The subject on rights assertion, compliance, de-escalation, and legal knowledge. The officers receive a B-. Early patience, proper use of force escalation, pre-charge warnings, and the human connection during transport are genuine positives. The grade drops because detention status was communicated inconsistently, and the Marchman Act was invoked without documented threshold justification on camera. Those are constitutional and statutory failures, not minor administrative gaps. The subject receives a C+. Her crisis was real. Her frustration was earned. She correctly questioned her detention status and was right that the first answer was legally inconsistent. Under severe psychiatric stress, she identified a genuine Fourth Amendment problem. The grade reflects her conduct under applicable legal standards, not her mental state. What hurt her legally was clear. She kicked an officer after explicit warning, which is a third-degree felony under Florida Statute Section 784-07. Regardless of the merits of her detention, she threatened to bite. She physically resisted handcuffing. Each act compounded her legal exposure. Physical resistance made her situation worse. The courthouse was the remedy. 5 takeaways come directly from the legal and tactical record of this footage and apply to anyone who may face a similar encounter on either side of the badge. Lesson 1. Officers must communicate detention status the moment it changes, telling someone she is not detained, then restraining her without a documented legal pivot creates a Fourth Amendment suppression issue that can unravel the entire case. Lesson 2. The Marchman Act and the Baker Act are not the same. Florida Statute Section 397-68-18 covers substance abuse. Florida Statute Section 394-463 covers mental illness. Applying the wrong statute sends someone to the wrong facility under the wrong legal standard. Lesson 3. Miranda attaches before custodial interrogation, not at arrest. Demanding it at the wrong moment, as happened here, diverted focus from the legitimate legal arguments that were actually on the table, including the detention communication failure and the statute misapplication. Lesson 4. Compliance is a legal strategy, not a surrender. You can comply under protest, state your objection, and preserve every argument for court. Every act of physical resistance in this encounter added a new charge. The courthouse was always the better option. Lesson 5. Kicking a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony under Florida Statute Section 784-07. Regardless of what that officer did wrong, prior misconduct by the officer does not eliminate the charge. The legal remedy for a bad arrest is always the courthouse, not the patrol car. If this analysis gave you something useful, drop the issue that stood out most in the comments, give this a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more legal breakdowns of body camera footage.